Here we are, guys. So come back to the boat this evening and this is what's going on. They're moving that big hunk of crap because it keeps sinking. They've moved our pontoon that I'm moored to all the way out, look, so they can get it out. And you are now witnessing the two jet boats trying to move this motherfucker. And now we're being slowly pulled back into place, the pontoon.
Oh, it's amazing how slippy it is.
How what?
Slippy it is. It would just take one person to pull over it.
Yeah, it's because friction or lack of.
Yeah, like I said. Water's amazing.
Now just keep going out to sea and then just fucking leave it.
Yeah.
Just don't leave it right there because it's hard enough to get out there as it is. Yeah, exactly. I don't get paid for it. I'm quite impressed by dinghy and all its outboard, all its bits fit in those two little bags. I'm quite impressed that I managed to get my dinghy back in that bag, mate. Wasn't me. It was Tom. It was Tom who showed me.
Never letting you touch your dinghy bag.
Yeah, mate. That is a man who's not impressed. Mine looks so pretty. His, not so much.
Whose fault's that?
It's all my fault, and look how bad I feel about it.
Oh yeah.
I brought it up for you, yes. So all my junk on the side here is just that lot now, and the engine's not mine, people.
Too far off.
Yeah, we are. That won't go back in. I think we need to go back that way, maybe. He'll figure it out in a minute.
Well, we'll figure it out when they pull the inside of it.
Well, no, they'll figure it out when they try and put the pole back in and it don't fit. It don't go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they've got to clip all that back in, isn't it? Is Neil even awake? Is he alive? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. There's Nick. Say hi, Nick.
He's busy.
Hi, Nick. Say hi, Mark. Yeah, there's Mark. Yeah. Now it'll be interesting watching them turn this. I didn't realise how fucking big it is. That's easily nearly as wide as my boat is long, mate. Isn't it? It's got to be like 18 feet wide. How many men does it take to move a boat? Depends on the size of the boat and the men. If Kane was here, he'd swim it round on his own. No outboard necessary, just fucking swimming power and pole dancing, fucking... What, the blue one?
Yeah.
I was looking at the blue one as well, but... Let's zoom in. Zoom in. It's only a shit boat anyway. Mark said it. Mark doesn't look worried. That guy on the pontoon looks more worried. He's running around his boat like crazy. Look with the fucking the boys. Like they're not gonna do a lot with that thing, mate.
He's steel as well.
Yeah. Not of your boat though. There's wood, it'd just disintegrate. It'd scrape the paint a little bit.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, they managed to get it halfway around there, which is very, very entertaining to do. It was fun to watch.